Hi there, it's me, Sophie. So, in my last video, I've explained to you guys what draft format is and how to use Draftmancer website during the draft. But after the draft is done, you need to create your own lists. And today, I'm gonna show you how to save those lists from Draftmancer and how to export them to TTS. Okay, so here we are in Draftmancer. The good thing about using Draftmancer is that you don't need to you can come back later to the drafts you've had. So you don't need to create your list immediately after the draft. You can take some time to think about it and then just come back and see. And yeah, you can use the website without any issue. The important thing, I think the logs from your drafts are stored in your browser settings. So make sure to not clear those because otherwise there might be some issue with loading this up. So yeah, so this is main page of Draftmancer, and on the top you have this game logs button. So you press it, and here it should show you your past draft sessions. So after you've done draft with us, you should have like the two sessions, one for each deck. I have some from my from testing around. So yeah, I will be using this session to create a deck with you guys now. So yeah, what I just do is, yeah, I open it up and I press load deck here, and it takes me back to the draft. And here I have all the 20 items that I've drafted. So yeah, you need to know what list you are creating. So this doesn't really help you create lists because like you can move stuff around here and see, oh, this is nice commander. This is nice commander. I want to have it in this unit. But yeah, it's not really so simple. It doesn't really help with that. And you need to calculate the point costs yourself, so to see if you fit the 40-point limit. So yeah, once you have the list prepared, I have some example list here. You can see it. I wrote it down. It should be 40 points. So yeah, once I know what I want to draft, is I press this button, move all decks from all cards from deck to sideboard. So yeah, they go there. And what's important when you are exporting from Draftmancer is the order you'd add the things into your deck. Otherwise, it might get messed up a bit. So yeah, what you want to do, yeah, the order you want to add things in is like you add the deck first, then you add all the combat units with their attachment respectively, and at the end you add the NCUs. And this way there shouldn't be any issues when loading this later to the TTS or with displaying it. So yeah, let's start with Lannister deck. Deck goes first. I just press it and it moves from the sideboard to the deck area. As my first unit, I want to have Silenced Men. I have them here. And I want to have them with Asha Commander. So I add Silenced Men first, and then immediately after, I add the attachment for them. So I press Asha, and here it doesn't show them up together, but it's the order that I added them in matters. So there will be Silenced Man, and then immediately after there is Asha, so she's attached to Silenced Man. Then yeah, let's take Spearwives, and then I want to have Golden Company Crossbow with Harman Uller attachment. So yeah, that's kind of it. But you need to watch out for any mistakes here, because like I want to have Harman with Golden Company Crossbowman here, but let's say I added them in bad order. So yeah, I added Spearwives, and now I add Harman. So he would be attached to Spearwives now. And if I want to fix it, I can just remove him from the deck, move him back to the sideboard, and then re-add him in the correct order. So yeah, now I add Crossbowman, Harman. Let's take Champions for the Stag, and then just 3 4-point NCUs. So yeah, and this is my deck. You can kind of move the things around. It doesn't really matter for the export part, but maybe it will help you see the things clearly to know if you are doing it the way you want it to. So yeah, once you have your deck here added in the right order, you go to export and press the card names thing. And yeah, what you will get, I will paste it here, are those numbers. And those numbers are responsible, like each one of them matches one item in the game. So yeah, I have Lannister base deck. Here is yeah, this is combat unit, this is attachment, and so on. And here are the things that you didn't use. And if you did it correctly, they should be in right order. And now I will show you how to check it if it works properly and how to get TTS link for that. So yeah, once you have the export copied from Draftsmancer or save down, you go to the OBS control page created by Rion. You can find the link for it in the description. And yeah, you go to import, and here you have Draftsmancer option. So you just paste the whole thing that you got into here, and then import left or right to show you on one side. And yeah, here you can see that the list works. All the units are in right order. So Asha is attached to Silenceman, Harmon is attached to Crossbowman, NCUs are at the end. And yeah, I have Asha cards with Lannister base deck. Yeah, and so I can see it's done properly. I can now recount the points as well to see if I for sure fit in the 40 points limit. And now when I want to use it for TTS or just save it down in nice readable form, I go to import, I press export left, and what I get now is this. So it's the same text you get when exporting from ASOIAF stats. And this in this format, you can send the rosters to us. So we will be doing the tournament manually. So you will need to just send us your list, and later we will create some sort of Google folder when we will store all the lists. So yeah, once you have your lists, just save them up in one text document, and in this format you can just save the whole file to us via Discord, and then yeah, we will share them with all the players once the tournament starts. And this here, import string at the end, is what you can use to load the list to TTS. So yeah, you can just copy it, and let's switch over to TTS. Here we are in TTS, and when loading an army, you need to change from ASOIAF stats to ID string. So I will copy the ID here, press spawn, and voila! Here is my list. So Asha in Silenceman, Spearwives, Crossbowman with Harman, Champions of the Stack, my 3 NCUs, and we can see, yeah, we have also the correct card. So yeah, that's it. I will share all the links for those tools with you in the video description. And yeah, I hope this helps you so you can do it without any issues. But yeah, some problems might arise, so you can always reach out to us via Discord or maybe leave a comment under this video. So yeah, I hope that clears it up. So take care and hopefully see you in the draft tournament. Bye.